There was an exchange of fire between two groups at Kautruk village in Manipur's Imphal West District on Thursday, less than 48 hours after talks were held between Meitei and Kuki legislators in Delhi to find out a peaceful solution to the ongoing conflict. Police said armed assailants launched an attack from the hills of Kangpokpi district on the low-lying Kautruk village, prompting retaliation from village volunteers, police added. Following the firing, a large contingent of security forces was deployed to control the situation and restore order. While no injuries or damages were reported during the incident, tensions remained high in the area. Last month, Kautruk village faced multiple gun attacks, including a drone bomb attack. Around 20 MLAs belonging to the warring Meitei and Kuki communities met in New Delhi on Tuesday for the first time since ethnic violence broke out in the northeastern state 17 months ago in a bid to hammer out a peaceful solution to the ongoing conflict. BJP MP Sambit Patra and 3 MLAs from the Naga community were also present at the over 2-hour-long meeting convened by the Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, as part of its efforts to iron out differences between the two communities and find an amicable solution to the crisis.